I chose Canada personally because I felt like it has a lot of opportunities for international students specifically. Being from Pakistan means that there was a lot of long process that I have to go through. Education in Pakistan was really different than in Canada. I wanted to pursue bachelor's and not any diploma or advanced diploma. So that was the main reason I chose Sheridan. As an international student, I have to prioritize my personal life and my educational life and my work life. I work at campus, I do campus tours, I talk to people, we do events for people. Sheridan has definitely made me a leader and more confident person in myself. The one piece of advice I would probably give is trying to get out of your comfort zone, because that's the only way you can kind of grow as a person.